what I'm going to show you today is an easy way to perform a hip hinge. Now, a hip hinge is very important in protecting your lower back when lifting or performing any type of daily functional activities. This is the easiest way to do it. You're going to grab a stick, whether it's a broomstick. You're going to place it all along your spine. It's going to go from your upper back and your head all the way down to your tailbone. And what you're going to do is just bend forward and come up. Bend forward and come up. Now if the stick comes off your head, you're doing it wrong. If it comes off your lower back like that, then you're not hip hinging. You're getting all that motion from your lower back, which eventually is going to wear it out and cause some lower back pain. So let me back up. All along your spine. Hinge and up. So, if you're doing kettlebell swings, incorporate a little bit of a knee bend. If you're doing squats, same thing, hinge at the hips. And if you're doing deadlifts, same thing. Or single leg deadlifts. So what you want to do is a lot of reps of those with like a broomstick or any type of stick just to get a feel of it. And eventually it'll become a new habit for you.